Cool Dad Summer.
Father's Day is coming up and we have something special for all the cool dads out there. This is the brand new Cool Dad Summer DTF gang sheet available at JoesDTF.com.
Cool Dad Summer!
A massive 22 by 60 inch gang sheet packed with 12 awesome dad themed designs. You'll get full front graphics, full back prints, and left chest designs that are perfect for that Father's Day gift. And of course, they are ready to press. Just press, peel, and you're ready to go. Now you have endless Father's Day gift ideas.
Cool Dad Summer.
And the best part, this entire gang sheet is only $16.99.
Whether you're making something for your dad, your husband, your grandfather, or yourself, this gang sheet was built to celebrate the guys who always show up.
Cool Dad Summer.